Some say that the hardest part of addiction recovery is it actually admitting that you have a problem. Now, obviously, the problem seems very obvious to others, but to you, it may not be that big of an issue. We know that drug and alcohol addiction is all about escaping pain. That's what addiction, all the addictions, not just drug and alcohol, all of them are about escaping pain. That makes you your own worst enemy to recovery because you're the one looking to escape pain with this addiction. The addiction mindset delivers a ton of excuses, and it fuels a sense of entitlement. You have hurt sitting around in your heart. You're looking for redemption and justification. You find temporary relief from drinking or drugs. Finally in your life, something come in that you can count on, that doesn't let you down, that doesn't judge you. No, it's always there. Hey, my drink is always there for me. Hey, here's my relief. My drug is always there. That internet, that porn is always there. That sex, that gambling is always there. There's my relief. I can get relief from the pain and hurt and frustration and emotion of living. There it is. And I will do anything as an addict to keep that relief going. I need that relief. I'll do anything to keep it going. I'll lie, I'll cheat, I'll steal, I'll do whatever else I have to do. How do you think people find themselves in those situations? How do you think the gambler finds himself lost everything? The drug addict in jail or homeless? The sex addict with all these diseases, even though they're married and have kids? How do you think? Because the addiction was so obsessive, so prevalent, it overruled everything in their minds. So their choice was to keep this going. I need this relief. This is what I can count on. I can't count on people. I can't count on my parents. I can't count on my boss. I can't count on people. People will let me down. People will make me feel not right. People will make me feel unloved. People will make me feel unworthy, unhappy. But this, my addiction, always there for me. Never let me down.